Have you ever wished you could go back to an earlier version of your Canva design? Maybe you accidentally deleted something important, or you just liked the previous layout better. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's version history feature so you never have to worry about losing your work again. First, open the design you want to review. Look to the top left corner and click on the File tab. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Version History. Quick note, this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade to access it, but trust me, it's worth it. Click on Version History and you'll be taken to a view showing all your past versions. Here's the magic. Each version is dated and shows the changes you made over time. You can scroll through the timeline and preview any version. Take your time to check that it's exactly the one you want to restore. Once you've found the right version, simply click Restore. Just like that, all the design elements from that version are back in your project. No stress, no lost work, just seamless editing. Using version history not only saves time, but also gives you the freedom to experiment without fear. Now, if you ever make a mistake or want to revisit an older draft, you can do it effortlessly. And that's it. With Canva's version history, you're in full control of your designs, making edits and corrections easier than ever.